Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my big and fluffy wash and go with no gel. Yes, I know, no gel, honey. Whoa, I know my hair's looking kind of wild, but it's okay. So I'm starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I just hopped out the shower and air dried my hair, and now I'm going in with some water, and I'm just going to spritz that all over my hair just to give some hydration back into the hair. So next I'm going in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner, and this is one of the main two products that I use. It's so simple, guys. I'm just pretty much lathering this in my hair, raking it through my hair, and I make sure I use it a good amount, but I don't drench my hair. I've done this where I drenched my hair and it just wasn't fluffy enough, but I just want to make sure that there's a decent amount so that my hair is fully moisturized, but not too much where my hair is like weighing down. So next I'm going in with my white Shea butter, and I like to use this to lock in that leave-in conditioner. I take a handful and I rub it around my hands, just make sure that it melts. And then again, I don't put too much product because we don't want to weigh the hair down, but just enough to cover the hairs and to make sure that the moisture is locked in. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the next section, and then I'll be back. So we're fully finished. So what I'm doing here is I'm just putting my hair up because I'm going to lay down my edges with my edge controller, and if I don't do this, we're going to wake up in the morning and the edges are going to be throwing, and that just kills and ruins the whole wash and go, trust me. Speaking from experience. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. Alright, so next I'm just going to take my hair down, making sure that everything is in position. And then I'm just going to put my hair back up into a pineapple and set it with my headscarf and get ready for bed. Alright, so it's the next morning, guys, so I'm just taking out my headscarf, and as you can tell that my hair is set, like a muffin top on the top, it is set. But yeah, I'm just going to take it out of the hairband, and from here all I pretty much do is just shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. I just want to make sure that it's fluffy. It does take a minute to dry, to kind of set in place because it was still a little bit damp. But yeah, I'm just shaking it. You guys are going to see me fluff it out until I get into my desired look. So I wasn't filling the middle part, so I went ahead and changed my part. So here I'm just concealing where the middle part was. And because I changed my part, I went in with a little bit more of edge controller just to help me lay my edges down a little bit more to my desired look. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just fluffed it out a little bit more, and yeah, there is my big and fluffy no gel wash and go. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!